Yeah. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we making Parmesan herb crusted chicken. I've never made it this way, but I've made it another way where you have to dip the chicken in the breadcrumbs. But we just gonna show y'all this way today, okay? But do not forget to get y'all cookbooks. They are on Amazon. Get Cooking and Keep Cooking. It's also in the description below. Don't forget that, y'all. Let's get to it. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't want to keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love you. Alright, so I think this is all what we're working with today. We got chicken thighs instead of chicken breasts. If you have chicken breasts, or if you want to use chicken breasts, the thick ones, just thinly slice them and do the exact same thing that we finna do today with the chicken breasts. We got Italian breadcrumbs. I didn't know how much, so I just put some in here. I still got some on the side over there. We got some butter and 3 different cheeses. This is Shaed Parmesancheese, Mozzarella, and Provolone. But y'all know Provolone come in them circles, right? So I just cut them into like little squares, like that. We got a little bit of ranch seasoning, this Hidden Valley, and some olive oil. And then we got the seasonings. What we got in the seasonings is a little bit of seasoning salt, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and a little bit of smoked paprika. That's it. So we're gonna put some of this in there with it, and also some ranch. Alright, so we're gonna start with some oil on the meat. And just put enough so we can get these seasonings to stick on there. And then we're gonna season it with the seasonings that I just told y'all about. And I'm gonna just pour all this on here because I'm gonna end up mixing it up anyways. And then we have a little bit of ranch, not too much. And then a little bit of this Hidden Valley. I'm not going to use this whole thing because this seems like a lot. That's good enough for me. Okay, now we all gloved up. We just going to mix this in. And make sure it's evenly coated. See that? And we good to go in the end. Now we're gonna let this marinate for about 30 minutes. Y'all can't let it marinate overnight. If y'all want to, well, we're gonna let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Get all the flavors in there. While we're letting this marinate, we're gonna start on our side dishes. I do got some green beans I wanna make, so I'm gonna start on those while this is marinating. Okay, so we're gonna take these cheeses, y'all, and we're gonna put some ranch in it. Then we're going to just mix it around. We want it to be kind of wet, so if you need some more ranch, just add some more. Okay, so it should look something like this. Once this is done, we can go ahead and melt our butter. Okay, so we're going to take this melted butter, just melted it and put it in here. This is about a half a stick. And this is the seasoned breadcrumbs. Just kind of look like this. Okay. Okay, y'all. So we're going to add some oil and get it nice and hot. Okay, now that y'all can probably see a little smoking, we're going to go ahead and add this chicken in now. Yeah, we just gonna cook this for about 5 minutes on each side. 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Alright, so now we're gonna turn our broiler on and get that ready so we can put this in the oven. Okay, so now that we have the oven up to temperature, we're just going to add this cheese on top of each one. See what's going on? My bad. I had it a little too high, y'all couldn't even see. Okay. So let me just add the rest of this in here however I can. That's the end of that. So now I'm just gonna add some breadcrumbs on top of each one. Okay, we're gonna toss this in the oven. Throw in a little parsley. And we are done here, y'all. All right, y'all, make sure y'all watching it while it's in the broiler because you do not want it to burn. Okay, it will burn fast. So this is how it came out, y'all. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.